So you're looking around trying to figure out what the heck's going on in the market, why Bitcoin's not doing anything, why it's down as of recording this video 1.1%, why Ethereum's down 1.9%. Let's look at what some of the top losers are doing, if you will. Losers only meaning in that they're down in the last 24-hour period. You got Waves, Lido, Dow, Zill, Fracture, but you can see there's not a lot of downside going on here. Now, I'm going to get into this in just a minute, and I'm going to show you what I firmly believe is what's going on. The overall market down about 1.1%. The overall crypto market, I'm going to say overall 3 more times, by the way, just FYI, and FYI 2 more times. I'm kidding, of course. Okay, it's been choppy, right? It's been choppy. All right. Hey, why not have a little bit of humor with your Bitcoin news, right? Okay, so here's where we're at. Over on CoinDesk, I found this really good piece of content that in about 1 paragraph explains what the heck is going on. Now, before I show it to you, here's the thing. We've got macro deals going on. Technical term, macro deals. Brain not quite firing right. There you go. We got the Russia-Ukraine thing. We got sanctions against Russia. We've got a lot of stuff hitting the overall stock market. Stock market right here, right now. I haven't even looked at this. Let's look at this real quickly. Yeah, down 280, 328 overall, respectively. We've got basically what's going on is we've got commentary from the Fed's Brainard. You get my point. Okay, so market wrap. Bitcoin stocks briefly dipped after Fed comments Doge rallies. Before I get into that, if you didn't know this, Doge is rallying. Doge, just as a side note, is rallying right here, 13% in the last 24 hours, up 17% in the last 7 days. You want to know why? Personally, I believe because Elon Musk himself, Mr. Dogecoin, has bought and taken and now has a 9.2% interest in Twitter. There you go. That's it. Okay, so there's rumor and speculation rampant that, Dogecoin might be something going on with Twitter, etc. There you go. Okay, so that's why Dogecoin's up. All right, so here's what was going on. So Bitcoin traded in a choppy range. That's where I got it, choppy. On Tuesday, after U.S. Federal Reserve Governor Lael Brainard said the central bank could reduce the size of its balance sheet at a rapid pace. The Fed Open Market Committee, quote, will continue tightening monetary policy methodically through a series of interest rate increases and by starting to reduce the balance sheet at a rapid pace as soon as our May meeting, which we're in April 5th, Brainerd said in a speech written for Minneapolis Fed discussion. What does all that mean? Okay. Basically means right here. A more aggressive approach to tightening central bank policy sent jitters through the market as investors reduced their exposure to speculative assets, i.e. crypto. Crypto is viewed as a speculative asset. Notice the air quotes. Stocks decline while 10-year, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so here's what it really comes down to. This has been a narrative, guys, that has been here and will continue to be here. Here's what it comes down to. The Fed has come out and openly said they're going to quit injecting billions of dollars into the markets. They said that a long time ago. They said that they're going to raise the base interest rates up to 5 to 6 times this year alone to effectively raise the overall base interest rate by approximately about 2% by the end of the year. We just went through a 25 basis points raise. This is saying we've got another one coming in May, okay? And that they're going to, quote, start reducing their balance sheet. They said the exact same thing about reducing their balance sheet 2 months ago, okay? So this is all stuff we've heard. It's been here. It's still here. It never went away. You see the overall market reacting to it. Stocks down 200-300%. Crypto really, ironically, not really reacting overall very bad to this situation. It's not like Bitcoin just plummeted into the basement. So if you're looking for like what's going on, why the malaise, ooh, that's a good word, malaise. I need to write that one down. Sometimes I don't even know where these come from. Yeah, I mean, that's it. That's what's going on. Or I like this analogy, the wet blanket that is on the top of the crypto market. Think of a wet blanket. Who likes a wet blanket on them? Not me. That's what I got for you. That's it. This is where we're at, guys. So now we're going to need a little bit of time, day or so more, whatever, to digest effectively these comments. Nothing new. It's almost like nothing to look at here, folks. Move along. Right? But no, this is where we're at. Meanwhile, it's kind of fun watching Dogecoin run. That's all I got for you. As always, appreciate you. If you haven't already done so, if you like my style, you like it, hit that subscribe button down below. Would love to keep you stick around and watch some more videos. And you can laugh at me or do whatever you want. Or you could maybe have a drinking game. Every time Austin says a certain word, we're gonna do a drink. We're gonna take a shot. I don't know. That's all I got. See you. I'm gonna have some more coffee. See you. Bye.